Welcome to this comprehensive review of AI VideoBooks, an innovative software revolutionizing how we create and sell eBooks and video books. Today we'll explore its features, benefits, and why it's generating buzz in the digital content creation space. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or someone curious about AI technology, this review will provide valuable insights into how this tool can transform your digital endeavors. Let's start with the basics. AI VideoBooks is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that allows you to craft stunning 3D animated video books across various genres and languages. With video content becoming increasingly popular, the demand for visually captivating and engaging ebooks has surged. In fact, the video book market has seen a 300% increase in 2023, making it a lucrative niche for content creators and businesses. So, how does AI VideoBooks work? The process. First, incredibly simple and involves just 3 steps. First, you log into the user-friendly dashboard. Second, you input keywords to define the theme or content of your video book. Third, you publish your creation on platforms like Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Etsy, where it can generate passive income on autopilot. Now let's dive into its standout features. AI VideoBooks empowers you to create professional-grade video books in categories like children's, stories, educational materials, puzzles, and even fitness guides. The drag-and-drop interface, coupled with over 700 customizable fonts, makes the design process seamless. The inclusion of captivating read-aloud narration and highlighted text features enhances accessibility, making it perfect for children's books and storytelling. One of the most impressive features is its multilingual support. With the ability to craft content in multiple languages, AI VideoBooks enables creators to reach diverse audiences globally. Additionally, the software includes sound and music effects to make video books more engaging, and you can download your creations in formats like MP4 and PDF. Another game-changing feature is the built-in commercial license. This allows you to create and sell unlimited video books, making it ideal for entrepreneurs looking to establish an ebook creation agency or generate passive income by selling high-demand content online. AI VideoBooks even includes ready-to-use templates and best-selling mock-ups, saving you time and effort in design. So who can benefit from this tool? Whether you're an aspiring author, digital marketer, or someone looking to tap into a growing market, its ease of use makes it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features provide value to seasoned professionals. You're not just investing in software, you're accessing a complete business solution. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Thanks for tuning in to this review. Be sure to check out the link below to grab your copy of AI VideoBooks and start creating today.